Okay, LeetCode number 19, remove nth node from end of list. I actually had this in an interview a long time ago, but I think I was supposed to do it in C or something like that. Back then, I had no idea how to do this. I couldn't even barely get started on it. I didn't know about two pointers or anything like that. So anyway, this is really easy once you've been exposed to the way you do this. Otherwise, it's kind of hard to come up with it. We're going to use two pointers. So we're going to start them both at 1. And what we're going to do, we're going to have a left and a right, or an end, whichever you want to call it. The end is going to go nth node past 1, and that's going to be its starting point. That way they're already spaced at n apart. So when the right or the last node or last pointer is all the way to the null of the list, it's off the list, then your left pointer is going to be on that number. Now you might say, well, that's a problem. Yes, it is a problem because we need it before that number or that node. So what we're going to do is we're going to have a dummy node that points to head, and we're going to start our left pointer at the dummy, and that way it's automatically one back from our target. Okay, what do? We need a dummy node. Oh, let's look down here first. Just so you understand it, the n is how many before the end that we want to delete. So this is 2, so it's going to be 1, 2. So we delete the 4, and we end up with that. Here we just have an empty one because, well, it's 1, so it's going to be null as far as I can tell. Okay, let's go. We need a dummy, so... Oh, this is C#, by the way. This is an ON solution with O1 memory. Let's see. What's the name of that? Let's node dummy equals. What are we doing here? We are sending -1 and head. Okay, there's our dummy. Now we need a left. We're going to set this to dummy. Remember, that way it's one left of our target by the time we're at the end of this. Could just do this. Or, well, no, we couldn't because. Well, yeah, we could. It knows it's a list node. Equals. Now this one we're going to set to head. If you don't want to type as much, just do var, and then it already knows it. It knows that head's a list node, so right is going to be a list node. So. But sometimes you want to know it, especially if you're not doing a new on it. When you're in other people's code. Okay, enough talking. Let's go. Okay, so what do we got to do now? We need to move our right pointer into position because we got to space these out, our left and right. So let's see. This is going to be wow. We don't need n anymore, so we can decrement that down to 0. Let's see. N greater than 0. So we're going to move right. Oh, actually, decrement n. We need to check that right's not off the chart here, off the list. And let's see, right. There we go there. Okay, so we moved those. Go ahead and comment that. Okay, once that's in position, we need to move these pointers until the right is equal to null. So let's see, while right is not equal null, we need to move left. There. So we'll just say, now everything's in place. Now we just need to delete the node. So that is left. Remember, left is pointing before our target. Left.next is the target. That's all we do there. And then we need to return. We need to return our list, but we don't want to return the dummy node. So we do dummy.next. And that's where the head was assigned to. See, threw head in there. So dummy.next, that's it. Do we want to run a test case? No. Let's just do this. All right, 0 and it beats 100. There we go. C#, guys. Please like, subscribe, share it, and do whatever other marketing you find that you want to do, because if you have a big heart and you want to see the channel grow. So thank you so much for being here, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.